Good morning, students. Welcome to our online video class. This is 9th standard chemistry unit 11 atomic structure lesson. In previous class already discussed atomic number, mass number, Bohr atom of model, Niels Bohr atom of model and fundamental particles. Today I am going to learn about electronic configuration. Before moving to electronic configuration, once again recall atomic number and mass number. Atomic number represent capital letter capital Z. Atomic number denotes number of proton in a nucleus. The atomic number equal to contains equal number of protons, equal number of electrons in a atom. Any atom contains equal number of proton, equal number of electrons. These are said to be atomic number. Mainly atomic number is represent protons, number of protons. What is mass number? Mass number, total number of protons and neutrons present in a nucleus. This number is said to be mass number. Total number of protons and electrons, sum of proton and electrons in an atom is called as mass number. This mass number denoted as what letter? Capital A. What is mass number? Number of protons and number of electrons. Number of protons and number of neutrons. Number of protons and number of neutrons are called as mass number. That is sum of protons and neutrons. Sum of protons and neutrons are called as mass number. This mass number denoted as what letter? The symbol of mass number is capital A. The collection of protons and neutrons are otherwise called as nucleons. Collection of protons and neutrons are collectively called as nucleons. This is mass number. Any atom represent capital Z, capital X. The pink color X is any atom, any symbol of any element. In subscript and superscript is present in a atomic number and mass number. Subscript. The subscript is a atomic number. The superscript is a mass number. Any element symbol denoted as capital X. Z is the atomic number. It is the atomic number present in a subscript. Superscript A is the superscript. For example, nitrogen is denoted as 7N7. 7 means 7 is the atomic number. Nitrogen symbol capital N. 14 is the mass number. 7 is the atomic number of nitrogen. 14 is the mass number of nitrogen. Nitrogen symbol capital N. Let's learn about today's topics. Electronic configuration of atoms. You already know that electrons occupy different energy levels. These different energy levels are called orbits and shells. The distribution of electrons in different shells is called as electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? Distribution of electrons in different shells or different orbits. These are called as electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? Already you know 4 different shells. What are the 4 different shells? K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell. The 4 shells present. The 4 shells are occupy electrons. The electrons are distributed in different energy level. This energy levels, electrons distribution of electrons in different energy level is called as electronic configuration. This distribution of electrons certain rules and condition known as Bohr and Bury rules of electronic configuration. Let's see rules of electronic configuration. Rule number 1. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in a shell is equal to 2n squared, where n is the serial number of shell from the nucleus. What is the first rule? Maximum number of electrons that can be occupied in a shell is equal to what number? 2n squared. What is n? N is the shell number. Already we know 4 shells available. First shell is K, second shell L, third shell M, fourth shell N. value of K shell number 1, L shell number 2, M shell number 3, N shell number 4. This is N value. Substitute N in this value in the formula. What is the formula? 2n square. Maximum number of electrons in first shell. First shell name is K shell. 2n square. Put 2 into first shell value n 1. First shell value 1 square value 1 into 2. So number of electrons in K shell is maximum number of electrons present in K shell is 2. Let's see second shell value n value 2 in substitute formula 2 into n square, n value 2 square 4 into 2 8. So number of electrons in K shell, L shell 8 electrons. Let's move on. Third shell n value 3. What is the formula? 2n square, 2 into n value 3 square value 9 into 2 18. So M shell contains how many electrons? Maximum number of electrons 18 electrons. Finally fourth shell shell name n, number of n value 4. Put the formula n. What's the formula? 2n square 2 into n square n value 4 square 16 into 2 32 electrons present in a n shell. So maximum number of electrons, calculate what is the formula? 2n square n is 1, n is nothing but serial number of the shell. The K shell serial value 1, L shell serial value 2, M shell value 3, N shell value 4. This is first rule. Let's move on second rule. Shells are filled in a stepwise manner in the increasing order of energy. Shells are filled in the stepwise manner in the increasing order. Shells are increasing order. First filled in K shell, second move on L shell, followed by M and N shell. So shells are filled in stepwise manner, that is increasing order of energy. First K, move on L, M, N, followed by this manner. Let's see rule number 3. The outermost shells of the atom cannot have more than 8 electrons. Even it has the capacity to accommodate more electron. For example, electronic configuration of calcium having 20 electrons. So what is the electronic configuration of calcium? First find out 4 shells, K, L, M. Already we know K shells contain only 40 electrons, 2 electrons. Second shell contains 8 electrons. Third shell M shell contains 8 electrons. Last N shell contains 2 electrons. So outermost shells cannot be occupied 8 electrons. More than 8 cannot be occupied more than 8 electrons. So only 8 electrons. This is rule number 3. These are the electronic configuration rules. 3 rules are electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? Distribution of electrons in the shell is called as electronic configuration. Based on these rules, apply the electrons are filled in the different shells. Let's see problem number 2. What is problem number 2? What is the electronic configuration of aluminium? And we know aluminium symbol Al, atomic number is 13. Electronic on aluminium contains how many shells? 3 shells, K, L, M. Already we know K shell contains how many electrons? 2 electrons only. Next move on L shell. The maximum electron is 8 electrons. The remaining electrons are filled in M shell. So electronic configuration of aluminium is 2, 8, 3. First shell contains, already we know, 2 electrons only. Second shell contains only how many electrons? 8 electrons. Third shell, remaining electrons are present in M shell. Already we know what is the rule number 3. Outermost shell contains cannot be contains more than 8 electrons. So electronic configuration of aluminium is 2, 8, 3. 2 is a K shell, 8 is a L shell, last 3 is a M shell. So a K shell contains 2 electrons, L shell contains 8 electrons, M shell contains 3 electrons. This is electronic configuration of aluminium. Let's see. Do you know? The forces between protons and neutrons in a nucleus. The forces between protons and neutrons in a nucleus are the special kind called Igawa. Igawa force. This force is more powerful than gravity. This force is more powerful than gravity. What is the different? The force between protons and neutrons in a nucleus. This is a special kind of force. What is this force? Igawa. This force is more strong force, more than powerful than gravity. More powerful than gravity force. Gravity force. Let's see geometric representation of atomic structure of elements. Knowing the mass number and atomic number of the element, we can represent atomic structure. Atomic structure. For example, geometric representation of oxygen atom. 8, oxygen 8. Subscript 8 is the atomic number. Oxygen symbol O. 16 is a superscript of mass number. What is the mass number? Mass number A is a 16. What is atomic number? Atomic number Z is a 8. First, calculate number of neutrons. Already you know the formula. Mass number minus atomic number. A minus Z. A minus Z. A is a 16. Z is a 8. So, A is 16 minus 8, 8. So, number of protons, 8. Number of electrons, 8. So, already we know atomic number represent equal number of protons and equal number of electrons. So atomic number is 8. Mass number is 8. What is the electronic configuration? 2, 8. What is the atomic number? 8. So, 2, 8. 2, 6. 2, 6 is the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. The structure. This is atom of oxygen. Center of nucleus contains equal number of protons, equal number of neutrons. The center part nucleus contains proton and neutrons. How many protons? 8 protons. P is a P represent protons, N represent neutrons. So, in a nucleus of oxygen atom contains how many protons? 8 protons and 8 neutrons. The first shell, the first circle is the K shell. K shell contains how many electrons? 2 electrons. So, 2, 8, 2, 6. So, 2 represent first shell. First shell contains how many electrons? Only 2 electrons. So, 2 in the red dots, red circles represent electrons. How many electrons? 2 electrons in a K shell. K shell. Let's move on. Another shell. Another shell name is K. Next K shell followed by L shell. L shell. L shells contain 6 electrons. 6 electrons. The remaining 6 dots, red dots are represent electrons. 6 L electron. 6 electron. L electron. This is geometrical structure of oxygen atom. Oxygen atom. Center of nucleus contains proton and neutrons. Followed by how many shells present? In oxygen contains only 2 shells. What is the shell's name? K and L. K shell contains 2 electrons. L shell contains 6 electrons. This is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of oxygen. Let's see valence electrons. Valence electrons. In the above example, we can see that there are 6 electrons in outermost shells of the oxygen atom. The 6 electrons are called valence electrons. See this picture. This is a structure of atom. What atom? Oxygen atom. Outermost shells. First shell is a K shell. Second is a L shell. The last shell is called as outermost shell. This outermost shell contains some electrons. These electrons are called valence electron. Valence electron. Outermost shell is called valence shell. Valence shell. The valence shell contains some electron. These electrons are called valence electron. Valence electron. In an oxygen atom, first shell contains 2 electrons. What is the outermost shell? Second shell. Second shell's name is K shell. L shell. L shell contains how many electrons? 6 electrons. The 6 electron is called as valence electron. Valence electron. The outermost shell contains some electrons. These electrons are called valence electron. Valence electrons. Outermost shells of the atom is called valence shell. Outermost shells of the atoms are called valence shell. The electrons present in a valence shells are known as valence electron. Valence electron. The chemical property of the elements are decided by the valence electrons. These valence electrons, since they are the ones that takes part in a chemical reaction. The outermost shell is called as what? Valence shell. These valence shells are present in electrons. These electrons are called valence electrons. Valence electrons. These valence electrons takes part in a chemical reaction. The elements that same number of electrons in a valence shells show similar properties, and those different number of valence electrons show different chemical properties. Same valence electrons present in elements. Some elements are present in same valence electron. The same valence electrons are shows same similar properties. Different number of valence electrons are shows different chemical properties. Elements which have 1 or 2 or 3 valence electrons are metal. The elements having 1, 2, 3 in a valence electrons are called these are metals. These substances are metal except hydrogen. Remaining elements are metal with 4 to 7 electrons in valence shells are called non-metals. The valence electrons metal have 1, 2 or 3. The elements non-metal having outermost shell contains the valence electrons value is 4, 5, 6, 7. These are non-metals. Dear children, learn today's topics. Note the assignment question. First question. What is valence electron? This is answer for valence electron. First 3 lines. 3 lines are answer for valence electrons. Second question, what is the electronic configuration of aluminium? This is the answer for electronic configuration of aluminium. Third one, rules for electronic configuration. Fourth question, what is electronic configuration? Write the assignment question in your classwork note. Thank you, students.